to sing. Minim se nyame adom. Wo ye. So last week we did the names of some farm animals in Chi. Do you remember what is cat in Chi? Meow meow. Cat in Chi is okra or ejinamoa. That's right. What about dog? How do we say dog in Chi? Dog in Chi is okramai. Okramai. Okay, what about duck? Quack quack. Duck in Chi is double double. Fantastic. We also translated the farm animal song from English to Chi. Do you remember the song? The song is Old MacDonald Had a Farm, right? And do you remember the Chi version? Penny MacDonald, na owo efuo. Okay. So we're going to sing it again just to recap. Okay? But we're going to use just one animal. We're going to use oink oink, the pig. The pig. How did we say pig is? What's pig in Chi? What's pig in Chi? Pig in Chi is preco. Preco. Beautiful. Okay, so we're going to sing the song and we're going to fit preco in the song. Ready? Let's go. Penny MacDonald nowhere for E-I-E-I-O. Na nefonum na owo preco E-I-E-I-O. Or the oink oink ha, oink oink ho. Oink 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 babyara. Penny MacDonald nowhere for E-I-E-I-O. Beautiful. Okay, so today's lesson we're going to look at names of some other animals in Chi. Okay, some other animals. But before we go on to the lesson, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to come to class. Okay? And if you like our videos or our lessons, give us a thumbs up. Medase. Okay, let's just start. Let's start with the tiger. Tiger in Chi is osebo. Osebo. Then the lion. Lion in Chi is jata. 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 The elephant. Elephant in Chi is osono. 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 Then the squirrel. Squirrel in Chi is opro. 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 Then we have the snake. Snake in Chi is owo. 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 Then we have crocodile. Crocodile in Chi is odenchem. 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 The spider. Spider in Chi is ananse. 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 And then the spider web, it's not clear here, but you know the spider web is ntintine. Ntintine. So spider web, ananse, ntintine. This is the spider we call spider anansi. Anansi. Then we have the eagle. The eagle in Chi is okodie. 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 Some people will say okorie. Okorie. Okorie is the same. Okodie or okorie. That's fine, it's the same. Then the butterfly. The butterfly. Butterfly in Chi is afofanto. 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 The monkey. Monkey. Monkey in Chi is adoi. 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 Monkey. Adoi. The vulture. Vulture. Vulture in Chi is pete. 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 Or koko sechi. Koko sechi. Koko sechi. Or pete. Pete. That's the vulture. Bird. Bird in general is anoma. 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 Bird. Anoma. Anoma. Then we have the buzz. The bee. Bee in Chi is wowa. 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 Bee. Wowa. Wowa. Crab. Crab in Chi is koto. Koto. Crab. Koto. Then the crow. Crow. Crow is kwa. Kwa. Debbie. Kwa. Kwa. Debbie. Kwa. Kwa. Debbie. Kwa. Kwa. Debbie. That's the crow. Kwa. Kwa. Debbie. Kwa. Kwa. Debbie. Crow. Now the cockroach. Cockroach. Cockroach in Chi is tefre. 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 The last but not the least is the hawk. The hawk. Hawk in Chi is akroma. Akroma. Hawk in Chi is akroma. Akroma. Okay. So now we're going to do turn taking. My turn, then your turn. So if I point at me, it's my turn. If I point at you or at the camera, it's your turn. Okay? I'm sorry if I will use my left hand because I'm going to hold it in my right hand and I'll point at you with my left hand. I'm really, really sorry about that. Okay. So, my turn. Tiger or sebo. Your turn. Tiger or sebo. Tiger or sebo. Tiger or sebo. Lion. Jata. Lion. Jata. Lion. Jata. Lion. Jata. Elephant. Osuno. Elephant. Osuno. Elephant. Osuno. Elephant. Osuno. Squirrel. Opro. Squirrel. Opro. Squirrel. Opro. Squirrel. Opro. snake. Owo, snake. Owo, snake. Owo, snake. Owo, crocodile. Odenchem, crocodile. Odenchem, crocodile. Odenchem, crocodile. Odenchem. Let me see. Crocodile. Odenchem, crocodile. Odenchem. Spider. Ananse. Spider. Ananse. Spider. Ananse. Spider. Ananse. Eagle. Okorie. Eagle. Okorie. Eagle. Okodie. Eagle. Okodie. Butterfly. Afofanto. Butterfly. Afofanto. Butterfly. Afofanto. Butterfly. Afofanto. Monkey. Adoy. Monkey. Adoy. Monkey. Adoy. Monkey. Adoy. Vulture. Pete. Vulture. Pete. Vulture. Pete. Vulture. Pete. Vulture. Koko. Sechi. Vulture. Koko. Sechi. Vulture. Koko sechi. Vulture. Koko sechi. Vulture. Pete. Vulture. Pete. Bird. Anoma. Bird. Anoma. Bird. Anoma. Bird. Anoma. Bee. Wowa. Bee. Wowa. Bee. Wowa. Bee. Wowa. Crab. Okoto. Crab. Okoto. Crab. Koto. Crab. Koto. Crab. Koto. Crab. Koto. Crow. Kwa Debbie. 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 Okay. Cockroach. Excuse me. Cockroach. Tefre. Cockroach. Tefre. Cockroach. Tefre. Cockroach. Tefre. Hawk. Akroma. Hawk. Akroma. Hawk. Akroma. Hawk. Akroma. Well done. Okay, so we have come to the end of another lesson. This is very, very short, but please, we've got a lot of animals and birds here. We've done about 17 of them, which I don't think you'll be able to remember them all. That's why I always say, please practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect, okay? Until you are ready to move on, then you move on. Or you can revisit if you want to know a name of an animal or a bird and you do not remember, just go back and watch it and just remind yourself. Okay? Okay. Thank you very much. But before we go, let me ask you, what is tiger in Chi? Rah! Tiger in Chi is Osebo. Osebo. Good. What about Snake. Snake in Chi is owo. Owo. Good. What is pete in English? Pete in English. Pete is vulture. Vulture. Good. What about wowa? Wowa in English. What is wowa in English? Wowa is bzzz. Bee. Bee. Good. What about purr? The elephant. How do we say elephant in Chi? Elephant is Osuno. Osuno. Fantastic. Thank you all very much for coming. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed, do subscribe. Put on your notification so that you'll be the first to come to class. And please give us a thumbs up if you really like our lessons, or if this lesson was useful. Please give us a thumbs up. And I would like to say, we will meet again. Thank you for coming. And I will see you in our next lesson. Bye-bye. Etreyo. Nantiyo. Yebeshe. We'll meet again. You are dismissed.